Namaste and welcome to Shubh Temple. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be alerted when we post the next video. Today I'm going to show you the most simple, easy recipe, Khichdi. It's very common here in India, and this is what I would say a very simple and yet extremely nutritious Khichdi recipe. And instead of using rice or quinoa, we're going to use we call it amaranth in the US, but here in India it's called rajgira. And the beautiful thing about this is that it's hard to find this amaranth or rajgira in the US, but it's very, very plentiful here in India. And it costs just a fraction of quinoa. And it's actually much more nutritious. We'll talk more about that later. But it has much more protein and many of the micronutrients and antioxidants. So it's a really great way to get some extra nutrition in this basic recipe. And also you see that I have bean sprouts as well, and bean sprouts are loaded, packed with protein and many nutrients as well. So first, after you wash and rinse the lentils that you choose and the vegetables, and you see here I'm using tomato, onion, and carrot, and not pictured here is also garlic. Garlic is mixed in there. We're going to saute all of that together, and we're going to put a dollop of ghee in the pressure cooker along with the garlic, onion, carrot on medium heat until it's browned slightly. Okay, and remember the serving size is going to be more.
This is turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder. This is also called degi mirch, means it's desi. This one is called, I mixed few spices here. It's called garam masala and more few spices. This is the mixture of homemade spices. And this is also a different kind of spices called garam masala. Means it is the variety and mixture of local spices of India. Here is salt, and this one here we put funnel here.
Okay, so as I was saying before, Shubh told us about the spices. Remember the serving size. 1 cup is going to be about 2.5 cups served. Now you see I'm stirring all of the contents together and just putting barely enough water. Then I'm going to cover, and I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook this until the whistle goes off 3 times. And then as soon as you're finished, it comes out like this. It takes about maybe 10 minutes cook time, super fast. And then, as I said, many people have B vitamin deficiencies. And then the bean sprouts, they're amazing, and I grow those here in the apartment. So it's a wonderful way to add even more protein and many micronutrients and antioxidants as well. So if you would like me to make a video, I'm going to show you how to make this bean sprouts. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments if this has been helpful for you. And before I leave, I want to let you know a point of interest. So this rajgira, which we call amaranth in the US, is also known as royal grain or Ramdana, and that means grain given by Lord Ram. And it's recommended instead of rice. I recommend it for several reasons, because of its many health benefits. 1 cup of cooked amaranth or rajgira contains 9.3 grams of protein. Amaranth is also a good source of fiber, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, as well as many other micronutrients. This is why I highly recommend using amaranth as a replacement for rice or quinoa. Quinoa costs much, much more, especially here in India. And although it has a higher calorie content and fat, it's helpful to note that calories coming from a natural, wholesome food will give you a much better, cleaner energy, long-lasting, sustained energy to fuel you throughout the whole day, especially if you're like Shubh and myself. We eat 1 meal a day. So you'll find that your energy, your mental energy, your physical energy is much better throughout the day, and you will notice that you stay full longer, meaning you're less hungry. So it's great to take this into consideration, so you'll be much healthier, have a better energy. You'll save a lot of money. I think this rajgira is probably about the same cost as rice, but it's much, much less than the quinoa, which I had been using previous to this. So please let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Namaste.